What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital and welcome to the video. In this video, we're introducing an exciting new company to the channel, and that company is called Giant Mining. Now, Giant Mining is offering investors a unique opportunity focused on gold, silver, and copper in a safe, mining-friendly jurisdiction. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. In this video, we're going to be introducing the company, talking all about the recent news, the projects, and a little bit more information on the company in a simple introductory video. So hope you enjoy it. Last but not least, for full disclosure details, this is a sponsored video. Always check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer, and always remembering that these videos are not financial advice. With that being said, guys, I bring you Giant Mining. Let's jump right into it. Giant Mining trades on the OTC under ticker symbol BFGFF, and in Canada on the CSE under ticker symbol BFG. The company currently has a market cap of $6.6 million Canadian, with a 52-week range of 2.5 cents all the way up to $1.78. Currently closed at 28.5 cents, up 16%, just over 16%, or up just 4 cents there. On volume of 850,000 shares, average daily volume of 122,000 shares. And as we can see here, guys, this stock has been on a tremendous run with a lot of volume. So we're also going to cover the most recent news and quickly flip to their website. So I wanted to highlight the key points when it comes to this stock. So guys, fresh off the press, Giant Mining intersects surface high grade at Majuba with 74 feet of 2.6% copper and 30.1 grams per ton silver within 218 feet of 1.35% copper and 73.4 grams per ton silver. So feel free to read this press release. Goes into depth in terms of the results, drill results. As we know, pretty good copper results here in silver. So take a look at that. I am going to jump into an interesting research report from stocktrends.com. That is stocknewstrends.com. Feel free to check out this website. We will link it in the description. So how AI, EVs, and clean energy are supercharging copper demand. Why now could be the best time to start your research on Giant Mining. So we're going to start off with 7 reasons why you may want to take a look at Giant Mining today. We're going to go a little bit more in depth on the projects, touch on the website briefly, and then that'll be it for the video, guys. So strategic positioning in high demand sectors. Giant Mining is well aligned with surging demand for copper driven by AI, electric vehicles, and clean energy initiatives. As these sectors expand, the company is strategically positioning itself to tap into this critical market. And we've seen copper becoming more and more popular as it's just a critical metal being used in these growing sectors. Significant exploration potential. The company's Majuba Hill copper property in Nevada presents a substantial exploration target estimated between 50 million and 100 million tons of copper. This potential makes Giant Mining an intriguing prospect for those interested in resource development. Strong market momentum. Recent movements in the company's share price, including an approximate move of 348% in the US and 423% in Canada, reflect growing market recognition and interest in the company. Number 4, experienced leadership and advisory board with industry veterans like David Greenway and the renowned billionaires geologist Leo Hathaway on board. Giant Mining benefits from their extensive expertise in exploration mining, significantly enhancing its potential for success. Number 5, historical data and modern exploration. The Majuba Hill project leverages a rich history of high-grade copper production supported by extensive historical data. This foundation, combined with modern exploration techniques, strengthens the project's viability. Number 6, favorable location and infrastructure located in mining-friendly Nevada. The Majuba Hill copper property benefits from excellent access to infrastructure, including power, transportation, and processing facilities, which are crucial for efficient project development. Finally, number 7, alignment with global trends. As the world moves towards electrification and decarbonization, copper's role becomes increasingly critical. Giant Mining is poised to contribute to this global shift, making it a compelling company to watch in the resource sector. So let's take a look at this article, guys. We know how important copper is becoming. So the metal of the future, copper's role in AI, EVs, and clean energy. A little bit of market information here. So the escalating demand is underscored by the projected growth in key markets. So the global artificial intelligence market is projected to surpass 3.6 trillion by 2034. The global electric vehicle market is anticipated to reach over 2.1 trillion by 2033, and the global renewable energy market is expected to exceed 2.1 trillion by 2030. The global artificial intelligence market is expected to grow approximately 476% from this year to 2034, which is 10 years from now. So take a look at that growth. Next, we've got the global electric vehicle market expected to grow 564%. And then when it comes to renewable energy, expected to grow 92%. The copper market's Isaac Newton moment. Copper prices have outperformed other precious metals like gold and silver this year, reflecting the growing consensus among traders and end users about the long-term necessity of copper in AI, EV, and clean energy applications. There's also a great video on this article, so feel free to take a look at this article. It should be part of your research and due diligence. Always do your own research and due diligence. Watch all the videos, thoroughly read the content, the news, but take a look at this video. You can also get notified when there's new news on the company by simply putting your name, email, and phone number into this article. So there we have it, guys. The stock recently has been on the move. It was up again today as the time of recording. Now let's talk about copper demand to reach net zero by 2050. Reaching net zero emissions by 2050 demands volumes of copper humanity has never produced before to be used in electronics, wind and solar installations, nuclear facilities, and more. So there's how much copper we're going to need. 1.4 billion tons of new copper needed to reach net zero by 2050. And there is the size of the One World Trade Center. So last but not least, what this means for domestic copper production. The inclusion of copper on the DOE's critical metal list and the potential passage of the Critical Mineral Consistency Act could significantly boost domestic copper production. These developments are likely to attract increased investment and expedite the new mining projects, strengthening the U.S. supply chain and supporting the nation's clean energy goals. So this article also has a lot of great information when it comes to geological surveys, the very technical stuff. So feel free to pause this video at any point. I'm not going to get super technical. I'm going to leave that for your own research and due diligence, as this is an overview talking about the key points here. We can take a look at management, specifically David Greenway, who is their president and CEO with over 20 years of experience in managing financing and developing growth strategies for public companies. Strong background in the resource sector, he has consistently driven success and created value, playing a pivotal role in the growth and development of numerous listed companies. Finally, guys, just to reiterate 7 reasons to start researching giant mining today. 1, we've got strategic positioning in high demand sectors. 2, significant exploration potential. 3, strong market momentum, as we know. We saw that recently. Experienced leadership and advisory board. 5, robust historical data and modern exploration. 6, favorable location and infrastructure. Mining jurisdiction is very, very important when it comes to mining, and alignment with global trends. So the last thing I'm going to do here is visit their website, and that is giantminingcorp.com. We can download the investor presentation. It's right there on the homepage. Feel free to check out all of this information. They've got a lot of great information when it comes to their specific projects, news, and all of that. A great video. Dive into this investor presentation. Last thing I want to touch on is the share structure, guys. Here, just over 25 million shares issued and outstanding, 47 million shares fully diluted. So that is the share structure. Take a look at the investor presentation, guys. It's been a pleasure introducing this company. Hope you enjoyed the video. Last but not least, always do your research, always do your own due diligence. This is not financial advice. I look forward to bringing you guys more companies, and we'll see you in our next video.